Hi everyone, myself S.SESHI Kumar. I'm from Odisha. I completed my bachelor's in computer applications from Barampur University in the year 2022. Later, I completed my master's in computer application from Osmani University in the year 2024. Later, I joined the Jspiders for the Java full stack development training in the year 2025 on January. During my training period, I learned core Java by Manjunath sir and Prem sir, and advanced Java by Ravi sir, and SQL by Gagandeep sir, and web dev knowledge by Resma. Jspiders also conducting regular meetings which improve my interview skills, and they are also conducting group discussions which overcoming my stage fear and stage fear. Thank you, Jspiders.